Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to learn notes on saxophone. Start by understanding how to hold your saxophone and form a proper embouchure. Focus on producing a consistent, clear sound before attempting specific notes. We'll begin with the easiest notes to master, ensuring you build a strong and confident foundation for your playing. This initial step is crucial for success. Now, let's dive into your first set of notes, B, A, and G. These are often among the first notes taught on the saxophone. Focus on smooth transitions between them, ensuring each note speaks clearly. Consistent practice with a metronome will greatly improve your rhythm and accuracy. Remember to listen closely to your tone. As you gain confidence, we'll expand your note range to include F, E, and D. Practicing simple scales and arpeggios will help you connect these notes seamlessly. Remember to focus on your breath support, especially for higher notes, to maintain a full and resonant sound. Experiment with playing softly and loudly. Consistent practice is key to mastering the saxophone. Aim for at least 20 minutes each day, focusing on specific exercises. Recording yourself can provide valuable insights into your progress and tone. Learning simple melodies will make practice more enjoyable and reinforce your note recognition. A good instructor can also guide your journey.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.